Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can blur a video using your iPhone. First of all, you need to download an app. Go to the App Store and search for Blur Videos, link in the description. Download it. Once the download is complete, open the app and tap on Start. You'll need to allow access to the videos you want to blur by tapping on Manage and selecting the videos. After you've added the video, tap on it. You'll see a timeline of the video. Tap on the blurs at the bottom left. Here, you can select the shape of the blur, either a rectangle or a circle. You can move it around and adjust the blur type at the top, as well as the strength. To make the blur smaller, tap on the arrow next to the box, and you can move it around. You can blur specific parts of the video using keyframes. Place the blur where you want it, and play the video to check if it looks okay. There's also a tracking feature, but it requires a premium membership. Whenever the blur is not in the desired place, add a keyframe and adjust it as shown in the video. Keep adding keyframes to blur the specific parts of the video as needed. That's how you do it. You can also add more blur at the same time or replace the blur with an emoji if you prefer. Once you're done with the blur, tap on Saved in the top right corner. This will save the video to your photos. You can see that the video has been saved with the blur applied, and the quality remains intact when you export it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.